Crime is wickedness. Crime is greed. Crime destroys families. Crime divides nations.
Should all of the below be provided by the state to court during my bail application and to the trial court, the state stands on a stronger footing, failing which the state's case remains weak. That there were bullets recovered and removed from the deceased. The bullets were properly transported, secured, trained, and identified as belonging to the spent casings found on the scene, and further identified as having been fired from one or more of the firearms seized. Fingerprints lifted from the spent casings and firearms matched my prints, showing that I was in physical possession at the time of the alleged possession. If so proved, can it be linked to the time and period of the offence? Recent possession or possession thereof on one occasion cannot serve an artificially created presumption that possession was indeed at the time of the incident, linking all acts to myself and my co-accused. For the action of this applicant would the results have ensued. The state cannot submit with confidence to this honourable court that causation will be proved, both factual and legal causation, and further, that intention in the form of dolus eventualis, directors or indirectors, that's intention, will be proved in respect of all counts for all accused. Counts 4 and 5 refer to unlawful possession of a semi-automatic 9mm pistol and 6 rounds of ammunition. It is unclear whether there is more than one pistol with reference to the charge sheet and annexures provided to my attorney. I submit that the state intends to proceed on joint possession, which is addressed hereunder. With reference to the discussion on intention, transferring intention to a co-perpetrator and causation, one has to look at counts 6 to 10, which is attempted murder. The state would presumably wish to proceed with dolus eventualis on attempted murder charges. I submit that proving same will be an onerous task for the state. In highlighting the charges individually, the Honourable Court is asked to consider that the multiple of charges during my bail application is simply to bolster the state's opposition to me being granted bail. It is unlikely that joint possession will sustain counts 4 and 5 during trial, and further that intention would be a prickly pear to address where transfer of intention is concerned, and further to prove intention in respect of attempted murder of bystanders, which is account 6 to 10. An identity parade has not been held in terms of the rules set out in the Criminal Procedure Act to date hereof. It is apparent that the identification of all accused in this matter stands to be tested at trial. Positive identification in terms of the rules is not before court to confirm the strength of the state's case. The state clearly stated that it does not intend to hold the identity parade. The identities of all 5 applicants and the outstanding accused 6 and 7, in demande times 2, have been revealed in the media and exploded on all screens, on television and social media. Speculations run high, but it must be considered that doc identification will carry no weight at trial, as the accused have been presented as the 7 accused implicated already through the media. The CCTV footage of the incident has been available on social media since the day of the incident. The person appearing to be pointing what appears to be a firearm at Mr. Forbes is clearly masked and small or short in stature, as speculation grows as to whether the alleged gunman is indeed a small female. I am by no means a short person. The footage may not bring the state's case against me further at trial.